Hello dears, welcome back to ISK ISA English. Dear friends, today we are discussing on how to improve our communication skills. Communication skills, writing skills and speaking skills. Now, I know you came here to know how to improve your communication skills. So I heartily welcome all into this video. Now friends, let us move on to our topic. At first, we discuss about speaking skills. That means the ability to communicate effectively what is in our mind to others. Friends, at present, the ability to communicate in English is considered as a privilege to any other language. Then why? We know English is a global language. So we are giving more importance to English language or studying English language. So I am doing this video. Friends, communication skills. What is communication skills? I think it is an art. It's an art. Why? Why or how? Okay, I will explain. Just like any art, singing, dancing, or driving, we can make perfection in it with our effort. Just like a driver become excellent in driving. Let us take the example of a driver. I think you all know driving. Just remember the time when you start driving. Just remember when anyone have you got did you get any punishment from your teacher at the time of studying driving? I think I got, but now I am a good driver. I am excellent in driving. How I became excellent in driving? Just think how we became excellent in driving or became good drivers with continuous driving. We drive every day. We drive every day. And then we became good drivers. Just like this, you practice speaking English every day. It is very important. Whenever you get an opportunity to talk or speak or converse in English with anyone, never miss the opportunity. Our first practice. Practice is the core. Now, reading. Second one, reading. How reading improve our speaking skill? Just think what we need to speak fluently in English. We need words, more words to speak fluently in English. How we get words? How or when? Then reading will enhance our vocabulary. So read whatever you get, books, storybooks, drama, novels, any type of books in English. Reading in English will enhance or enrich your vocabulary. So, reading is very important to improve our speaking skills. Through this video, I gave you 2 tips to develop your communication skills. At first, practicing and then reading. Now, friends, you must continue your practice and reading till you become an excellent speaker in English. Now, friends, I am going to wind up this video. So, I request you to subscribe, like, and share my channel to get my coming videos. Thank you all.